Nothing ever stays the same once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think, hey, let it think, let it think.
Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will cook this super tasty pork steak. We will cook it as simple as possible, so let's begin. Here are the ingredients that we need. First, let's make our marinade. Get a big mixing bowl and put the soy sauce, calamansi and pepper. Mix it well. Then soak the pork and marinate it for about 30 minutes to an hour. After an hour, let's now fry our pork chops. Cook the pork thoroughly. Once cooked, add the marinade and let it simmer for about 10 minutes before adding the onion. And now we're done. Eat it while it's warm. Put it on top of your warm rice and enjoy. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.